Hello everyone, my name is Gautam and I am here to present you ACVS. As you all know, with increasing digitization, the risk of forged certificates have been continuously increasing, and this is mainly due to two main reasons. First one being that the current verification system involves a lot of manual work, where the institutions generally have to mail the universities to get the certificate verified. And the second one is that there has been no existing unified platform where anyone can just come and verify the certificate, and this creates delays in verification of certificates and susceptibility to corruptions. I have come up with ACVS. ACVS is a React web-based application, where anyone can just come upload their certificates, or if they have a QR which lead to the certificate, they can also place that and verify the certificates. The This not only supports legacy certificates, it also supports the certificates which have been released under ERP. So basically what I mean is the QR based certificates or blockchain based certificates which have come into form factor right now. So let me just show you a demo of how this actually works. So this is a certificate which I have added into my database. This is just a demo certificate. So as soon as I upload the certificate, OCR is performed. It goes to blockchain or my QR if it consists. So here all of my details come, and not only that, it shows by how much percentage the verification was successful. It shows how many nodes gave confirmation for my data, and also shows my transaction, I mean blockchain ID, which had this data. It also shows the network which was used to confirm my certificate. We can just share this report or just go, try uploading another document. Yeah, so the main feature of ACVS is that it has three different logins. Let me go walk through each of them. So first one, let's go with university login. Here, this is where universities can come and connect with us. So let me just show you how registration works here. So this is the registration form where universities are required to fill their details. Once this has been done, in the document section, they actually upload the documents supporting this information. They also need to upload their templates, certificate templates, so that we can during verification we can just match them with, like, suppose if there is a legacy certificate, then we'll need to perform OCR to match this. So yeah, that's why they also need to upload their certificates. So let me go back and just sign into my demo university account. It actually one of our major feature is digital signature, where once the university has actually given all their documents, they have to be approved with a central authority. Once the central authority approves them, we generate a digital signature for them. This actually is to be loaded in a pen drive or USB. This is very important because without this, they won't be able to access this portal. This is required because uh, to make sure that only university upload the documents. So yeah, let me just get this key. Yeah. So once I have signed in, they usually have two ways using which they can upload the certificates. One of the ways by directly connecting the database if they have one. The other one is by just bulk uploading the certificates. Let's say I have a PDF of say 5 certificates which I have already made. One second. Yeah. So these are the transcripts which was generated by me. So here OCR is being performed. Once the AI matches the OCRs and all the data is noted down, it will give me just a preview of all the data which it has extracted. If there is some inconsistency, then we can just directly edit it from here, like here, and we can just correct them. Once this has been done, I can just encrypt them and upload into the blockchain. So what happens here is we actually calculate hash for each of them. This hash is then uploaded to the blockchain. After this, we encrypt it using AES, and then the key is also uploaded into the blockchain. Uh, this encrypted data is stored in our backend so that we make sure that nobody can just hack into our systems and get the data or change the data. Also, hash is calculated because for the comparison, like if suppose some pro hacker just got into our system, you know things happens, and they just edited, so we also have the hash to compare. So yeah, that's why the blockchain is being used for. Yeah, let me sign out and just show the central authority. uh, this is the central authority where the person who actually has this access to the portal can verify the documents of the institution and approve them if they are found to be right. Also, they can just check through all the institutions that have been enrolled or that have been verified. Here there is an alert section where if a certificate is found to be forged, then we flag them along with the AI flags them along with the reason. So if it is actually found to be forged, then the central authority can directly blacklist them. Where if anyone tries to again like go through this certificate, the person will be shown as blacklisted. Yeah, so this is it. There is also an audit report where all the data regarding the certificates, all the how many forgeries have been done recently, from which institution it was found to be like major culprits were found. So as you can see, like for University of Jharkhand, 1540 certificates were reviewed, and it has a score of 76. What it means is that out of 1540 certificates, only 76 were found to be accurate, and rest of the certificates were found to be forged. So this raises a concern, so they can just take the actions from here itself. Yeah, this is about central administrator. We also have a good to have feature. We also have a good to have feature, like student login. So here the student can actually register with us with their APAR IDs. These APAR IDs have been recently come into the play, like which supports like one student one ID. If they don't have APAR ID, they can also log in with their Aadhaar. This APAR ID enables them to actually just log in really quickly and get their documents really fast. So let me just show through this one. Yeah. So once the student have logged into their account, they can just fetch their documents which are already in our blockchain. Also, if they want to just find their more documents, like if it was not found by the system, then they can just drag and drop their documents here, like tent or other certificates, and then try to fetch his documents. If it is there in our system, it will just come here. Here we have three labels. First one is verified, semi-verified, or unable to verify. Verified are the ones which are already present in our blockchain. Semi-verified are the ones which are whose template are present in our blockchain, but the data is not actually available. And unable to verify are the ones who, like the rest of the certificates, whose template and data is not there. So yeah, and also the student can actually share his profile with just this QR. So if somebody tries to scan this QR, then it will just like he will just come here, or he can just share this QR anywhere like LinkedIn or his GitHub. It's basically just a profile for a student, for quick access of their certificate and their data basically. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.